Hey, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. If you have a gas-powered fireplace like this, and you're wondering how to turn it up, turn it down, adjust the thermostat, it's really easy. This is how you do it. Now, keep in mind, you're going to have to get that pilot lit first, and that's going to be on you because I am terrified of lighting pilots, whether it's on the stove, in the oven, or this gas-powered fireplace. But it's really simple. If you have one like this, look under here. It's held in by a magnet. But you pull this down, and this is going to be like your thermostat right there. See, we've got it on 1, which means it's not turning on too much, but it is like 32 degrees outside. It's getting cold in here. So let's dial it up to about a 2.5 or a 3. Oh, yeah, that's how you pump up your gas-powered fireplace. Just that easy. Now, when you go to close this, be careful. Somebody's sleeping, you could wake them up because this thing is going to snap back in place really aggressively. So keep your hand on it, keep some tension on it, and, oops, still pretty loud. Thanks for watching.